app installation and account registration. Scan the QR code or search for Seiona in the Play Store. Install the Seiona app on your device. Open the app. Select your language, tap Continue, and tap Sign Up. Enter all required information and tap Continue. Enter the verification code sent to your email and tap Verify. Your account is successfully created. When prompted, select between Register a product or Start without a product. Tap Start Parental Controls. Learn more about the Jetstream router or tap Exit. Tap Get Started. You're all set. You can now navigate the app and start using your service.